Having one of the best motorcycle lift tables for Harleys will make those jobs much simpler. And these products boast impressive technical specs and feature incredible smart designs to help you every step of the way. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best motorcycle lift tables in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe now. Let's get started. Number 1. VivoHome Steel Hydraulic Motorcycle. Meet this VivoHome motorcycle lift that can raise up to 1,500 pounds weight, so Harley Davidson weight falls under this load capacity. It ensures that you can easily jack your Harley with this model. And it also goes under clearance, because the product features a 4.5 inches minimum lift height, and the HD's ground clearance is around 5.7, so no worries about installing the jack. The model can lift motorcycles 15 inches off the ground, leaving more space for a tire change. You won't need that much height for putting in a spare tire though. The lift gives you convenience for pumping the jack. You don't need to sit or use a wrench to raise it. With the foot pedal, it will get raised, and so your Harley. Just put your foot on it and push it a few times to pump the jack. If you worry about the motorcycle falling off while being lifted, you can tie it down with the straps that come with the package. Along with a handle and 2 straps, this model features swivel casters that help with mobility over a floor. Once you've raised the jack, you can lock it to avoid unexpected lowering. And the mechanism has a 3-position lock system. This means you can lock it at 3 different heights. The steel VivoHome has brought many more features that give you more benefits while lifting your Harley Davidson. If this model interests you, hit below to further explore it, including its price and ratings. Number 2. Orion MotorTech Motorcycle Lift. Reinforced lift capacity. With a hefty lift capacity of 1,100 pounds and dynamic lift height range from 3/3 to 13/2/5. This motorcycle center jack can be used to lift street bikes, cruiser bikes, and adventure touring motorcycles. It will not fit snowmobiles, ATVs, UTVs, or dirt bikes. Durable construction. Heavy-duty steel body and steel sleeve with easy adjusting lift height. The durable red coating is highly resistant to oil, grease, and dirt. XL deck. The extra-wide top platform of 9.8 x 15.8 provides a large contact area for better balance and support to your motorcycle, so you can find the bike's center of gravity without the hassle. Non-slip deck and gloves. The motorcycle lift stand's lift deck is padded with premium rubber for extra durability and stability. Protective gloves are included for your safety. Manufactured and tested to meet all current safety standards. Note: avoid using an impact wrench. Improper use may cause damage to the nut. Lift your motorcycle easily by rotating the metal sleeve. Please refer to the instructions. All the hardware is included, and the easy operation foot pedal can bring the platform up and keep your hands free to focus on the bike. Number 3. VivoHome Steel Motorcycle ATV Wide Deck. Our next best motorcycle lift table is one of the most affordable options on the list and has easy free crank operation via the metal sleeve to help lift to 14.5 inches for your motorcycle, dirt bike, snowmobile, and more. It has a heavy-duty solid steel construction that is easy to clean any oil or grease it may come into contact with, and the anti-slip design is topped with a durable rubber that prevents slippage or scratching to your bike's finish. The durable 11 pounds weight limit has platform dimensions of 16 inches x 10 inches, which is ideal to help you get the job done if you're limited on garage space, but still need an extra hand to lift your bike and get access to every part of your bike. Nice appearance and high quality. The heavy-duty and solid steel structure of this VivoHome motorcycle lift jack comes with a red and black powder-coated finish. The paint coating is oil, grease, and rust resistant, which is much easier to clean up after repairs. Anti-slip design. The stand's top surface has a durable rubber pad with striped veins to help prevent slippage and scratches. The wide top platform measures 14.4 x 9, which has a large contact area with the motorcycle to raise and lower it steadily. Number 4. Powerbuilt 2-ton triple lift floor jack. If you need to lift seriously heavyweight but don't have the space for the traditionally used larger pieces of lift equipment, then you don't need to worry, as this lift table has almost 900 5-star reviews for this immensely strong but small lift table. With a maximum lift capacity of 4,000 pounds, you could easily lift cars, trucks, or motorcycles with this floor jack and not have to worry. It has tie-down safety loops and a wide base and wheels for safer loading, and a removable saddle and padded rails, making it suitable for motorcycles or ATVs. The lift range varies from 5.5 inches right up to 17 inches depending on the vehicle you plan on lifting, but this still provides plenty of clearance to access all areas of your Harley. With such strong capabilities at an affordable price, this product will replace the need for multiple jacks with its patented design that is hard to match. Replaces multiple jacks. The patented triple lift design fits cars, trucks, motorcycle, ATVs, even transmission, lawnmowers, and snowmobiles. Wide lift range, from a low of 5-1 divided by 2 inches to a high of 17-1 divided by 2 inches with the round saddle installed. Ultra stable and secure. Thanks to a wide wheelbase, the triple lift offers stability well beyond the average floor jack. For even more security, use the included tie-down loops with your tie-downs to secure the load. Number 5. Extreme Max Motorcycle Scissors Jack. Our final best motorcycle lift table for Harley is from Extreme Max and is better suited for smaller motorcycles in need of an impressive 34.5 inches lift. All the hardware is included, and the easy operation foot pedal can bring the platform up and keep your hands free to focus on the bike. The platform is rubber padded for scratch prevention and is 16.25 inches by 13.25 inches in size, which offers plenty of room to match the weight capacity. This product can help any job, whether small or large, to give a stable lift and looks great with the red powder-coated finish. There are also other products in the range that have higher weight capacity and larger platforms. You own a larger bike, but the no-slip stability provided makes this a superb option for the price point. Useful bike table. The Pile Motorcycle Jack with Dolly is a must-have for cruiser, sport, or dirt bike enthusiasts. It is used to lift the bike off the ground for maintenance. Put the stand underneath the bike and use a wrench or air tool to elevate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.